Hello guys, I am Prajakta. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the standard deviation. So let's start. So what is standard deviation? So while looking at the earlier measures of the depression, all of them suffered from one or another demerit. That is, so next one is range. It suffers from the server's drawback, considers only two values and neglects all the other values of the series. Quartile deviation considers only 50% of the item and ignores the other 50% of items in the series. Mean deviation is no doubt on improving the measure but ignores negative signs without any basis. Now we'll next one see the standard of deviation concept. So this concept of standard deviation was introduced by the Carl Person in the 1893. So after observing all these things has given us more scientific formula for calculating or measuring the dispersions. So while calculating SD, we take a deviation of individual observation from their AM and then each squares. The sum of the squares is divided by the total number of observation. The square root of this sum is known as a standard deviation. The standard deviation is the most useful and the most popular measure of the dispersion. It always calculated from the arithmetic mean. Median mode is not considered. So let's see the definition of it. So standard deviation is a positive square root of the average of a square deviation taken from the arithmetic mean. The standard deviation is represented by the Greek letter sigma. So its formula has standard deviation is a sigma root sigma bracket x minus x bracket square upon n. Next we will see the uses of standard deviation. So first one is it is widely used in biological studies. Next one is it is used in fitting a normal curve to a frequency distribution. And the last is it is a most widely used measure of dispersion. So after that we will see the calculation of standard deviation individual observation. So there are the two methods. The first is by taking the deviation of the items from the actual mean, and the second one is by deviation of the items from an assumed mean. So first case, when the deviation are taken from the actual mean. So it's a direct method. Standard deviation is a sigma root is equal to sigma bracket square x1 minus x bar bracket square upon n. So where d is equal to x1 minus x bar. So value of the variable observation, x bar is arithmetic mean and n is equal to total number of observation. So in case 2, whether deviation are taken from the assumed mean. So shortcut method, standard deviation is equal to sigma square root sigma d2 upon n minus in bracket sigma d upon n square. So where d is equal to x minus a and a is the assumed mean. So n is equal to total number of observation. Next one is calculation of standard deviation. So there are the three methods: actual mean method, that is also known as direct method, assumed mean method or shortcut method, and last one is step deviation method. So let's first see actual mean method or direct method. The standard deviation for the discrete series is given formula by the sigma root sigma fx minus x bar square upon n. So where x bar is arithmetic mean, x is the size of items, f is the corresponding frequency, and n is a sigma f. Next one is assumed mean method or the shortcut method. Standard deviation is equal to sigma square root e f sigma f d square upon n minus bracket sigma f d upon n bracket square. So where a is assumed mean, d is equal to x minus a, f is a corresponding, and n is equal to sigma f. Last one is step deviation method. We divide the deviation by the common class interval and use the formula following formula. So the standard deviation is equal to sigma is equal to sigma fd square upon n minus in bracket sigma fd upon n bracket square into I. So y I is equal to common class interval. So d is equal to x minus a upon I. So a is the assumed mean and f is the respective frequency. So let's see the more further, that is the merits of standard deviation. So very popular scientific measure of dispersion. Next is from standard deviation we can calculate the significance, correlation, etc. Next is it considers all the items of the series. And the last is the squaring of a deviation make them positive, and the difficulty about algebraic signs, and which was expressed in the case of mean deviation, it is not found here. Next one is demerit of standard deviation. So it is calculating difficult, not as easy. Easier has a range and QD. It calculate depends on AM. Extreme items gain great importance. So the formula of SD is root sigma d square upon n. So this is a problem which we want to calculate of the following series in standard deviation. Thank you.